So here's the thing. You're coming home from work or school and you just want to sit down and play your favorite game. So you grab your trusty controller, sit down on the couch, and the battery's dead. Well, what if I told you you never had to charge controllers ever again? All right, you got me. You got me, I'm just talking about a wired controller. I know, clickbait, it's terrible. Well, if you're still watching this video, let me introduce you to the PowerA Spectra Infinity Xbox controller, complete with RGB color LEDs, mappable buttons, and 3-way trigger locks. See, it says right there, no batteries required. It has a 10-foot braided cable, dual rumble motors, a share button to capture in-game screenshots and video clips, and anti-friction rings for smooth motion. You also have 2 mappable gaming buttons with on-the-fly button mapping, a 3.5mm audio port with a volume dial for plugging in your gaming headset, and 3-way trigger locks. It also comes with a 2-year limited warranty, which is nice. All right, let's unbox this sucker and see what's actually inside. Whoa. All right, nice, nice. So the cable is detachable, so that's cool. All right, we got a little instruction manual there. That's a nice thick braided cable there, yeah. Okay, so the cable locks in, that's nice. Plug this into the PC, because I'm actually a PC gamer. And that's initially what it looks like lit up. All the buttons are very responsive. Not too spongy. Yeah, those feel really fast. Okay, yeah, and these trigger locks here, so that'll reduce the travel of your triggers. All right, let's see about this LED program function. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, there's not a lot of like fading happening between zones, but you could definitely customize that to your liking. So here's 1 zone, 2 zone, and 3 zone down here. All right, let's play some games. Holy crap. So the rumble motors on this are crazy strong, especially in this game. Like, that feels really great.
Okay, this should work.
Oh, and by the way, this activates your Xbox, dashboard on the Windows PC, and this button right in the middle saves a screenshot. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. It feels like a hefty premium controller. The only issues I have with it is I'm not sure what was going on with Tomb Raider. I wasn't able to take shots when the trigger locks were engaged. Hey, this is future me beaming in. So the deal with those controller issues is you need to go to the PowerA website and download the latest firmware for Windows. You'll install that, go through a calibration process, and you should be golden. I've confirmed this with other people online, so you should be good to go after that. I'll drop a link in the description where you can find that update. And also the LEDs, while they do look nice if you just have the whole thing on a solid color, they don't necessarily blend that well. Maybe you don't have a problem with that. I'm a little bit of an RGB snob, so I thought that probably could have been a little bit better. But keep in mind, this is like a $40, $45 controller as of this recording, so it's not crazy expensive. It's not super premium or anything like that. But if you are looking for a decent controller, maybe you just want an extra controller when your buddies come over or whatever, this is a great option. So if you want to check it out for yourself, I'll drop links in the description below. Anytime you use one of my links to make a purchase, you help support the channel. Or if you just enjoyed the video, found it useful, you can hit that thanks button underneath the video. And, I don't know, buy me a coffee or something. And if nothing else, you can always hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my future reviews. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.